Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm about to make a strawberry milkshake. So that means I need to put some strawberries in it and some strawberries and some ice cream and this and some milk. A little bit milk, tiny milk, and some ice cream too.
First we're going to start with our ice cream.
Yeah. Start with our ice cream. Okay, then we're about to put strawberry in it. And pour a little bit milk. Okay,
now
then
it's time to blend it up.
Yeah.
So now it's time to blend it up.
This
Wait,
way.
tell them.
Okay, we're about to blend it up and put the top on it. So that means we need to blend it up.
So you're going to turn it on. And then you're going to press the milkshake button. Tell them.
Let me do it. Can we put this in there? I'm about to put a little bit more ice cream in it.
Put this in there.
Okay.
So we're going to blend it up.
And then I'm gonna blend it up.
Wait. Press it. Not that one. Let me turn it off. Press that one.
I'm gonna do it.
Okay, guys. So, tell them you got your cup. Say it.
I got my cup. So that means we need to put that in it.
We're going to pour a little bit of syrup in there.
Yeah, I'm gonna put it in.
So we're going to shake it around.
Okay, we're gonna shake it around. Let me shake it.
Don't spill it. Ready?
Yeah. That's enough. Wow. This is so
So
cool.
guys, now we're going to get some whipped cream.
Now, guys, we're gonna get some whipped cream. Add the whipped cream.
And then, so we're going to put some strawberries for decorations on top. Don't squish it that hard. It'll make it come out. Wait a second. And then you're going to put this one on the side.
Yeah.
Like that. And here's your straw.
Yeah.
Like that. So there you have it, guys.
There you have it, guys. So this,
It's a strawberry smoothie.
yeah, we made it already. So it's done. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Watch this video. Give it a bit thumbs up. If you like the channel, give it a thumbs up. So bye-bye. See you later.